Welcome to Q's Eat Blitz. Are you ready for a mind-bending challenge? Today, we've got 30 crazy fusions of fruits, vegetables, and animals. Can you guess them all? Only true quizmasters can get a perfect score. Keep your eyes sharp and your brain ready. Some of these will trick you. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button and drop your score in the comments. Let's dive in. Find the fruit and the animal in this fusion image. Hey, that's orange and chick. Guess the fruit and the animal. Correct. That's watermelon and penguin. Did you get that right? Ooh, that's banana and dolphin. Can you figure out this cute combo? Perfect. Pomegranate and pig. Aha! Pear and owl. Yay! Kiwi and kiwi. What a combo! Wow, grapes and cat. Yes, papaya and rabbit. Do you think you can find this combo? Bingo, onion and swan. Guess the next one? Jackfruit and duck. You got that? Dragon fruit and dragon. Guess this combo. Awesome! Peanut and ant. Perfect. Bitter gourd and crocodile. Can you guess the fruit and the animal? Wow, apple and beetle. Can you guess the two animals in the picture? Good job, tiger and rhino. Look at the next combo. Well done! Coconut and turtle. Can you figure out the next fusion? Yay, that's corn and horse. Can you guess this crazy combo? Juicy mango and snail. Next challenge. Yes, that's cherry and butterfly. Beautiful. What a combo! Blueberry and crab. This is a bit tricky. Can you guess the fruit and animal fusion? Aha! That's carrot and deer. Next one is super cute. Can you figure out the combo? Great, that's pineapple and giraffe. Awesome! That's yummy strawberry and squirrel. Can you figure out this animal and fruit fusion? Yay, that's a lime and a panda. What a combo! Ah, that's a potato and a koala. Yes, it's peacock and a beetroot. That's parrot and guava. What is this magical creature? Easy, that's an elephant and a peach. Aha, that's kangaroo and a passion fruit. Can you guess what's fused here? Hey, that's avocado and a frog.